Built for advanced battery pack testing, the Chroma 17020 Regenerative Battery Pack Test System delivers wide voltage coverage, flexible channel configuration, high precision measurement, and rapid third-party integration. The system combines BMS communication, battery charge and discharge data programming, an AC/DC bidirectional converter, and the 69210C series regenerative charge and discharge tester into one complete testing platform. At the heart of the system is the Chroma 69200 series charge and discharge tester. Supporting 0 to 150 volts and up to 100 amps per channel, it delivers highly accurate, stable performance for battery pack testing. Its wide voltage range supports e-mobility and energy storage system applications, while flexible parallel architecture scales up to 4,000 amps for high current testing requirements. Flexible channel paralleling allows multiple channels to work together to meet higher power demands while maintaining synchronized current control and stable output. The system also integrates seamlessly with chambers and chillers, enabling synchronized environmental testing. Voltage, current, and temperature data are captured and synchronized in less than 10 milliseconds for precise, real-time analysis. Battery Pro X software delivers a smart, intuitive, and efficient user experience. Its simple interface makes parameter setup and UUT configuration quick and easy. Hardware setup and channel mapping are streamlined for efficient operation, while flexible step design allows users to incorporate BMS communication and external process settings. A unified one-page operation view displays test channel information and overall system status at a glance. The system supports a wide range of battery testing applications: UAV batteries, electric scooters, AGV systems, and energy storage system battery modules. Applications include aerospace, electric vehicle component testing, energy storage system testing, and industrial systems. For more information, visit www.chromausa.com.